Hello and welcome. This video is on analyzing Tricot data. This presentation describes a workshop to analyze Tricot data. It is often for 3 days and uses the R statistical system via the R-Instat front end. We assume you know about Tricot and may already have been involved in the collection of Tricot data. We also assume you have some experience in data analysis, at least using a spreadsheet. We expect some to have also used statistical software such as SPSS, R-Instat, and a few may also have used R. We add R-Instat to this workshop. It provides a front end to R for those who wish to use menus and dialogues to examine and analyze their Tricot data. We have 3 types of participants in mind, plus a spreadsheet addict. First, we have Thomas. Thomas is R shy. He would not dream of going to a programming course. He knows he will suffer in the quantitative parts of his work and is dreading the data science and statistics courses. He can cope with Excel, but doesn't even like that. Then we have Talia. Talia is R okay. She quite likes numbers but is more interested in biology and languages. She was able to cope with the introductory R course, but throughout the statistics course kept needing to be reminded of the appropriate R commands. It was a distraction from the data science and statistics. At the end, her R had improved, but the courses were not much fun, and she had not learnt as much statistics as she would have liked. We also have Christina. Christina is our R fan. She's keen on computer science. She attended the introductory R course and found it easy. She liked Python too. Then she used R in the statistics courses through RStudio and found it all fine. Lastly, we have Spencer. He's a spreadsheet fan. He wishes that he could just stick with that, but is realizing it is limiting him. He is reluctantly feeling he may need to add a statistics package to his toolbox. This course and R-Instat Tricot menu is dedicated to those groups who do not feel confident using R for analysis. Fans of R will be happy using the available Tricot scripts working in RStudio. Though R-Instat scripting facilities allow them to collaborate easily with others. On day 1, we start the workshop with data, as a good understanding of the structure and contents of the data frame is one of the tenets of good data analysis. 3 Tricot examples are given, with one from India, another from Nicaragua, and a third combined set from Nigeria and Cameroon. We open the first called Breadwheat. Use File, Import from Library. Click on the down arrow and select the Gosset package and choose Breadwheat. Like most on-farm trials, these data combine a survey and an experimental component. Here, there were 493 respondents and the first 11 columns show the survey part. We explore and process this data on day 1 of the workshop. We distinguish between 3 types of data. In addition to survey and experimental data, there may be just data, often routinely collected. Tricot analysis can include climatic data. This falls into the 3rd category of routinely collected data. We expect most participants to find the pace of this workshop easy to follow. However, for those who need a gentler introduction to R-Instat, those who do not have any experience using a statistical package perhaps, we have a special Moodle learning site for this workshop. Here, you can find R-Instat's 2 initial tutorials with videos and practice documents. These each uses a routinely collected set of data as shown. Tutorial 1 uses the Diamonds dataset from the ggplot2 package, and Tutorial 2 uses Dodoma climatic data. Following the exploration and processing of the survey data, Day 1 moves on to a group exercise, analyzing the data from a simple designed experiment, but one with a twist. Close the current worksheet. Go to File, Close Data Book. Then open the data from the designed experiment. In the Start screen, click on Import from Library, then click on Load from R. Select the aggregate package and choose Rider Groundnut Data and click OK. Here are the data. Go to the Tricot menu, then Examine Data and choose Pivot Table. In the dialog, add block by call and check on the variable checkbox and make it gen, and also change the summary to list unique values. Then OK and maximize. This shows the field plan. The neighboring plots in block 3 with treatments A and B are marked in the field plan and in the data. The twist in the analysis is the query by the statistician Ken Ryder that maybe they have been miscoded. We explore this and options of how to cope with it. This example and the initial analysis of the Tricot data are used to review the role played by software tools such as R that include special facilities for factor columns, that is categorical data. We also review the role of the analysis of variance. Day 2 is devoted to the analysis of the Tricot experimental data. This starts via the Prepare part of the Tricot menu as shown with a data tidying step. This divides the data into 3 data frames. The survey part remains at the farmer level or ID level, while the plot level data is now 3 times as long. There is also often data at the genotype level. R-Instat is designed to simplify the analysis of data that is in multiple sheets or data frames, to use the R terminology. Once prepared, the Describe and Modeling dialogues in the Tricot menu are used. On day 3 of this workshop, we cover some Tricot studies that include daily climatic data. To access it, go back to the Import from Library dialog, click on the Load from Instat collection, then Browse. Open the Tricot folder and select Nicabin Charts. Click Open, then OK. The shape is different to the Dodoma climatic data shown earlier. This illustrates, as on day 2, that an initial data tidying or data wrangling stage is often needed before analysis. R is very good for data tidying. Rainfall and temperature indices are calculated for Tricot using our existing climatic menu. The results are then included in the Tricot modeling dialogues. In conclusion, this workshop provides a practical introduction to analyzing Tricot's data using R-Instat. Across 3 days, we move from exploring survey data to tidying and modeling experimental data, and finally, incorporating climatic indices. Each step has been designed with different types of users in mind, from those who are new to statistics software to those experienced in R. For Thomas, the menus and dialogues make analysis feel more approachable. For Christina, the availability of scripts and flexibility in working with R code ensures nothing is lost. And for everyone, we hope that the structured workflow within Tricot menu helps manage complex data across multiple levels. We hope you leave this workshop more confident in using R-Instat to analyze Tricot data, whether through point-and-click menus, full scripting, or a mix of both. On our Moodle page are additional resources and tutorials, and in R-Instat, you can find help files in case of any questions. We look forward to seeing how you apply these tools and insights to your own Tricot studies, and how your feedback helps us continue to improve this software and trainings. Thank you.